Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, we're going to be doing another little fun character of Garfield clawing down the side of the wall. I don't know about you, but I've never seen a cat do that yet, and I've had quite a few cats growing up, and I still do. But you know what? I thought it was kind of funny. Anyways, and make sure you have your paper and pencil, and if you have those two tools, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.